Hello my friend, this is Mohammed Imtiaz. Welcome to my channel AutoCad Tips and Tricks. Today I am going to show you that a very great method to the selection of the text. For example, as you can see here in this file we have lots of text. This text came from the total station. From the side this is as well points I have, but I need to make separation. Why I need to make separation? As you can see here, this one we have D, it means door points, okay, and PL means it's a paving level, and ST means it's a stair point, and we have a lot of manhole also. We have MH is a manhole. So W means it's a wall. So first of all I will create some layers to be make separation. I need to make separate D1. I will change the color green, same as, and here you can see, and if I need to copy this layer, copy this color, so just select that one and create one layer. It will copy the previous color of the layer. So I will type ST because I need to make separation ST also, text, and I need MH. Okay, these three I need to make separate. So let's minimize this layer manager. Okay, and so let's start. Everyone know about find and replace. This option will help you to make separate, no need any list, because yesterday I'm working in this file, I need to make separate this layers, so I find this option. So I just type find. I need to make separate ST, and you should check this list. Okay, it is unchecked before. When you first time you are making, just click to be mark it. Okay, remember, and here you can see we have three options: entire drawing, current space, selected objects. Okay, so entire drawing, it means it will select in the drawing, in the model, and in the layout also, which one it doesn't need. Current space means that it will which one is zoom it already, it will select this one, and layout also. I need to be select by myself, so I will select this option by selecting, and this is the option we have, select objects. Okay, just to select the objects, because I need to make separation ST text. So I'll make the select the whole file and I press enter. And next what we going to be do, ST, we need to find STs, right? So just click to find how many ST we have, show us. So he will show us here to click the find. It will show you the list of ST in your file. Whatever ST you have in your file, it will show you. Okay, the AutoCAD find us for us 623 match found. So let's check what he found, because I need just only ST. So just make in center. So down. Okay, he find one more thing, that ST, so traffic, it's which one I don't need. I need up to here only just ST. So this one up to here. So what we going to be do, just go to the top, select the first one and press shift from the keyboard and come down slowly, come down slowly. Okay, we already press shift by selecting first one, and the last one select. Okay, is selected all your ST. Okay, now here is the option we have, create selection set. This one will create you all select which one you selected in this window, and it will say, if you after click this one, it will select in the model, in the drawing also. So just click it and wait for that. And now as you can see here, it selected all ST which one you have in your file, and I need to make this separate. In your whole file it will select it for you. It's very easy now. Okay, which one you doesn't need, just by clicking by shift, minimize it. We don't need this, so that's why I deselect by pressing shift. Okay, so Go to the, already we create one layer of ST, so just type S to go to the ST option, ST selected, and now make by layer. Okay, it's make by layer now already. So by pressing off the layer, it will off now. So let's try one more time. I need to be make separate D1, D, not entire drawing. I will select by myself, so selected objects. You should remember that to be check this list, and click the selection tool. By selection, all file, and press enter and click to find. The AutoCAD find for us 671 match found in your file. So click OK. Let's see one time. Go down. D means it's a door. Okay, it's fine. Oh, lot of which one I doesn't need it. So go to the first one, press shift and come to the down. I need up to not here. I need up to here only. So I already press shift from the first one also by the selection, and press shift and click the last one also. Now come here to create selection set. As you can see here, we selected our objects. So I will select the D to make by layer. Okay, I hope you understand this one. It's very easy to you. If you have lots of text in your file, you can selection by the find and replace option. No need to replace, just only the first you have type your option, then you can change it. Okay, and I have to show you one more thing. Yes, I find this one option also, plus save as. Plus save as will help you to be save as by DXF, DWT, DXT, also lot of time. Okay, DWG you can save as. Okay, and you can have option here 2007, 10 or lot of, and plus save as DXF, DWS, DWT. I need to save as this file in DXF. Okay, now I need to save in 2010. Click the desktop, master file, save, closed. Okay, this is a tutorial topic. If you understand, and if you did not understand, please comment me. If you understand, please press the like button, and please, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe. I will show you my channel. Visit my channel one time. Let's go. This is my channel. We have a lot of tutorial, as you can see here, how to calculate square meter, perimeter, linear meter one time on by throwing this Lisp. Well, it's a great Lisp. And how to just convert your AutoCAD PDF file in AutoCAD just in second by importing. Watch this tutorial, it will help you. And we have fantastic things, that xref file, how to convert xref color. For example, after imported that, we will confuse to be original file and xref file. So that's why this list will help you to be change the xref color. And this tutorial also very great. Automatic layout, if you have 20 or 15 layout, it will convert you 20 or 15 layout. If you need to create, just create one layout with the scale, load this list, it will create multiple layouts. Okay, and it's very fantastic. It's very easy methods I created on my channel. I created already because of when I stuck on my work, I create this, I find the solution, I make a tutorial like that. so it will help you. So please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon, so when I uploaded a video you will get a notification. Thanks and take care of yourself. Bye bye.